with Murata's LPWA module and Skylo NTN network service. You will never lose coverage. Murata's innovative modules plus Skylo's satellite connectivity allows for connection anytime, anywhere. Murata's Cellular LPWA NTN modules feature a built-in global navigation satellite system, which can be integrated into smartwatches and other wearables, as well as a specialized GPS for continuous connection. Skylo, an NTN service provider, allows devices compatible with the technology to connect over geostationary satellites, enabling two-way messaging, SOS response team connectivity, location tracking, and weather forecast information to ensure safety and connection in all conditions. Murata's Type 1 SC module is the world's smallest Cat-M1NB2 dual-mode module, featuring the latest 3GPP NTN technology. This module is low-cost and easy to implement. Existing customers can adopt this feature without a hardware change, and it is low power with an integrated SIM. This is a suitable product for applications such as hiking, running, and boating, or anywhere else you need to stay in contact with your friends and family. Other applications include location tracking and monitoring for pets and livestock, cargo, vehicles, and ships. To learn more about Murata's connectivity devices, visit Murata.com.